welcome back to another video, and here is my puppy.
Stevie.
Bear.
His name's Stevie.
No, his name is Bear.
Yep.
Wait, by the way, I forgot to say, last video for our...
He's licking my finger.
Hold on. So, last video for our treasure hunt, I forgot to say it was my birthday on April 4th. So, if you knew it was my birthday on April 4th, then comment happy birthday. And if you didn't know,
You can't get late happy birthdays. It's over a month and a half past your birthday.
Late happy birthday.
I don't know. That's not really. They can do an early birthday for next year.
No, say
They can be like, happy early birthday, Lily, for next year.
Say late happy birthday.
Wait, I have a question.
And then down below, if you already got a gift on to the video.
Sponsor?
No.
Is that what you just said?
No, if you already got it this far into the video.
Oh, this far.
Then, yeah. Then type in hashtag late birthday
Ooh, hashtag. What's a hashtag?
to figure out when you're older.
When I'm older? Okay. But how do you know it if you're younger than me?
Because
I have a question. How many months are there in a year? If you know it in this answer in the chat, put it with a hashtag. Hashtag blank months. How many months?
how many months in a year?
Yep. Don't embarrass the video. All your friends are watching. Don't embarrass. Count it out. Yep. Come on, what is that? Come on, there's too much silence.
I'm about to count.
What's
No,
after
I'm
10? There's two more after 10. Two more after 10.
12.
Yes!
It's just that I'm bad at thinking. Like,
Out loud.
Like,
Like,
I tried to think. No, I tried to think, but then I failed. Something's wrong.
all right, so tell
Oh,
everyone.
wait, did I also say I have my first Holy Communion?
Oh, wow, you're a Catholic. Wow.
Okay.
Hold on. Tell everyone what we're doing in the video so they know what to expect coming up.
We'll tell them when we get outside.
Well, why are we going outside? What is that noise?
Not is blending.
Blending what? Bye, dog. His name is Stevie. Hi, Stevie. Oh, hey. What's going on?
Come on.
Okay, now we're outside.
Hold on. Oh, I put that off. Sit down. Look at, no, over here. We're getting our driveway done.
Why?
So, I want to tell you a story.
Am I allowed to step over this?
Yeah.
Should I? Hey, Mr. Miller.
I don't know why there's like big old roots here.
Why?
So, like when I was like about 5, our tree used to be the biggest tree in the neighborhood.
Now it's like a baby tree.
And then it was like falling over, but then one day lightning struck it and it fell down.
Oh my god.
And then
Look at the size of these freaking roots.
These are the old roots.
Look at it. It's hard as a rock.
Yeah, they're the old roots. Do you hear that music from one of my uncles?
Who? Stevie?
No, Bobby.
Oh,
That is his real name.
it's Jonathan, yeah.
Really?
Yep.
Bobby's name is Jonathan?
No, it's Robert.
Really?
You know what his middle name is?
Why do I call him Bobby?
That's his nickname, Bobby.
No, no.
You know what his middle name
Come
is?
on. So this is a driveway.
Ooh.
This is a driveway.
Let's get a video perspective.
Can I tell you something? So one of my uncles is Bobby, which is Robert. But I'll call him Bobby. So when he was a little kid, all the kids went through here.
You see how big it is? We all went through it. Can you get through that?
Yeah.
You sure? Don't get your head stuck. Yeah, see, when we were kids, that's all we did was we went through it because we were like so cool. And then and what happened? We went and let Bobby go through.
And then one day, Bobby decided to go through one of these.
No, we didn't let him.
And then Bobby went like this and got his head stuck. So then the fireman had to go and like.
And they did the jaws of life and rinked it open. Hey, I have a question. How did you know about that? You were here?
Poppy told me.
Were you here?
No.
Where were you?
I was not born.
Oh, you were Mama's tummy still.
No, I wasn't even in Mama's tummy.
That's weird.
I wasn't even.
You weren't even a twinkle in her eye.
I was in my past life.
You weren't even a twinkle in her eye. Right?
I didn't even exist.
But I mean, in a different universe, you could have existed.
And I was in my past life.
Where were you in your past life? A butterfly?
I really don't. Come on.
This is a pretty cool driveway.
Yeah, this is our driveway. Kind of boring.
It's kind of cool if you ask me.
That's our uncle.
There's a step there, you goon bucket.
What? Oh.
All right, so what are we doing back here? Something happened back here earlier.
Yeah, back here.
Oh, he's gonna ruin it. Why is he here? He's gonna ruin the
That's
video.
not much, guys.
He's gonna ruin it.
Not much, guys. Not much, guys. How's it going? Okay, so basically I was playing outside, and then my nanny,
Who's that?
you know,
Oh, all right.
old lady,
She's gonna watch this video.
but she's very old. She's like 100.
I'm telling her what you said. I'm showing her this video. Ow, my freaking kneecap.
Okay, so now, basically I was playing, and then my nanny came and said, "Do you know what bear is?" Which is my dog.
Stevie.
And I was like, "No." And she's like, "Oh, I heard someone growling," and I'm like, "Yeah." And then a couple minutes later, I came back, and then I heard more growling coming from over here. So I went over here, and I saw a bear go. And I was like,
Oh,
"What?"
crap.
So then I looked in the corner.
Should I look now with the phone?
There was a baby bird there.
Like a real bird or a fake one?
A real one, and it was alive.
Oh, it's gone.
I know, the mom took it.
It was right in that corner.
I know.
I think they're in the tree up there. Oh, you can see them up there, kind of.
Do you see the baby bird?
You can hear them.
Okay. So the baby bird was there, and I was freaking out. No,
It was
I
right in the
freaking out. I
corner.
was like, "Bear, no!
It was
Bear,
right in the
no!"
corner.
I was like, "Bear, no! Bear, no!" Because Bear was trying to eat the bird. So I was like, "Robin! Robin!" And he's like, "Yeah. Come here, Billy Bird!" And he's falling. And then he came over, and I'm like, "Bear's trying to eat that
Probably
baby
down here
bird!"
somewhere. That's why the bird's clucking. Probably feeding them down here from now on.
Oh, he's right there.
Where? See him?
Oh, my God. There he is.
Where?
He's right there in the corner. See him right
So we
there?
gotta stay out of here so the bird can get fed.
Oh, my God. He's right there. Hey, Stevie. Should we call him Stevie?
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, let's get out of here.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Oh, my God. He's alive. Whoa.
Jesus.
Ah!
In the ass dance. Everything. I just threw him out of the thing there.
He just threw him out of the club. Oh, my God. There's 500 of them. Let's get out of here. Hold on. Stand still. What is that right there on you? Right there.
Wait, it's an
Yes, I just threw him out of the other thing. Now they're all in there.
Oh, my God. There's 500 of them. What the hell's going on? There's 5,000 of them. You should have left them alone over there, Dad. Ah! What's that over there?
Really?
That's disgusting, bro.
Oh my God!
That's disgusting. And it was on
Look at all the ants in there.
and it was on camera too.
Ew, I can't believe I can't see all this stuff.
Wow. We should send this into like America's Funniest Videos. What's he doing?
There was some of that.
Is he using sun spray? What is he doing, Liliana? You can't kill them. They're innocent animals.
I think they lived underneath that crack there.
This is disgusting. I'm never sitting out here again, ever.
I know when I was up here, this
Oh my God, what if they climbed up on you? I'm never sitting on this bench again, Liliana.
look at all those little.
I'm just telling you right now, I'm never sitting here again.
And there was a bunch of ants.
All right, we gotta wrap this up soon.
What?
We're almost done.
Just started.
We're 10 minutes in.
But do you see that?
Lily, we gotta get out of here. I feel like ants are crawling on me right now.
Okay.
Watch out, what's he doing now?
I was in them.
Why? What, are they thirsty?
No, it's gonna drown them. Can you believe all these ants now? Where's the baby?
Watch out!
Oh, dead.
Spray Liliana. If you guys want Liliana to get sprayed, type in hashtag sprayed.
I wanna look at. No, we can look at the baby bird.
Leave the bird alone. We gotta leave the thing alone.
Liliana got sprayed like an idiot. Oh, there's bugs all over her. Oh, get out of here. There's bugs all over her. Get off of me. Oh, no. Get off. I don't want bugs on me.
No.
I don't want bugs on me.
No, there's no bugs.
All right, stop using me as a towel. Oh, there's all the black bugs on you.
Yeah.
They're only on the black part of your shirt.
Joking.
All right, let's wrap this up.
No.
It's almost over. I only have 1 minute
Okay,
left.
let's go look at the bird real quick.
No.
One more time. I'm joking. Okay, so now we have to tour the whole backyard all over again.
No, we don't. All right, wrap it up because I gotta. Hey, I have less than a minute left.
Can we hold your hands though?
Burr,
What?
that's disgusting. All right, wrap this up. Say,
Craziest vlog ever.
I know. Type in hashtag like crazy in the comments.
Okay, in the comments. Now you have to. Is that a bug?
What? Oh, it is.
Hanging.
Where is it?
See it hanging?
Point to it. Oh yeah.
What the heck?
Ew!
Wait, I want to see. Open it again. Wait, wait, one second. What the?
What the hell's this guy doing?
Do you know what ants make? Oh, by the way, I think we have what is this called? Termites in the
Yeah.
wood.
All right, wrap this video up.
Okay. So, this is what you had to do. So, 2 things in the comments. For the comments, you have to write hashtag crazy, hashtag late birthday, okay?
Okay.
And then, should we do a giveaway or something?
The next video. Tell them make sure you pay attention for our next video because we're gonna do a giveaway.
Yeah, pay attention to the next video, and don't forget to watch your podcast.
Yep, podcast.
Podcasts.
And say the only way we're gonna do the giveaway is we need 100 likes on this video.
Yeah, no?
If they do 100 likes on
And
this
we need 100 likes on this video and 1,000
subscriber.
views.
And so I know how many subscribers,
And
like
then
10?
we need, we need
When are we
at least like 60 subscribers.
gonna... Okay.
Okay?
All right, say bye to
And then
everyone.
we'll do a giveaway.
Say bye.
Bye! Don't forget to watch our podcast.
Say like
Have
the
a
video,
nice
like the video,
day,
like the video.
And like the